Hi, I'm Karla Schafer, designer for Antiques Beads, and I'll be demonstrating how to use the glass tiles and collage sheets to make a pendant. Alright, I have selected an image from the collage sheet, and in this case I'm using the mermaids, and I've already cut it out. And I'm using the oval glass tiles, and what we're going to do is we're going to use the 3D gel. Now I've put down a paper plate over my bead mat so I can protect my surface. So I'm going to just flip my glass tile over, and I'm going to add a thin layer of the 3D crystal gel. And you can adhere the photo to the back of this tile with the 3D crystal gel, as well as glue the bail on, which we will in this case need to do. So I'm putting a thin layer of this on the tile. And you might also want to have a paper towel handy, because this does sometimes get a little messy. Just make sure you get a smooth finish. You may not need to squeeze more out, just spread it around. And then we're going to take our image and we're going to obviously lay it upside down onto the glass tile. I'm going to move it around. I'll get it on there nice and straight. And then flip it over and see how you have the little image there. Remember your top from your bottom so you don't have to turn it over again. I'm going to set it back down on the work surface. Make sure I have it straight. And then I'm going to apply another thin layer of the 3D gel all over the back of this and along the edges. These little glass tiles come in a rectangular shape, the oval, and a square. I've got a little bit of it coming down on the edge, so I'm just going to take a paper towel and I did find that alcohol will take it off the surface of the tile if you get it on there after it dries. Just rub a little rubbing alcohol over it. And you just want to make sure you get all the edges nice and coated. I like to let this sit for a little bit and then I go back and get the edges. This will cure in about 24 hours. So put a layer on there, let it set, and then you can go back and put another along the edges to make sure you have that right. But I am going to go ahead and show you how to use the bail, and like I said, this 3D crystal lacquer will work as a glue as well. So I'm just going to place the bail in the top middle, and I know this is my top, and then you're just going to let it set. And then when it dries, what you'll have is something that looks like this. This is a square one I've done, and the back of it is nice and hard and sealed off with the 3D lacquer gel, or 3D lacquer, crystal lacquer. Do I need to do that over?